Hi guys, welcome back to this advanced mathematics YouTube platform. Through this video series, I am showing all expected problem in future national exams, pure maths, applied maths, combined maths, or any type of advanced mathematics. Okay, today I'll show two pure maths problem. One is under polynomial and trigonometry. So what the polynomial question is, the problem is available that YouTube banner, that is under the factorization or remainder theorem part. The question is this: when the polynomial px divided by x plus 4 when a polynomial px divided by x plus 4, the remainder is 10. So good experience. This is a revision type of workouts through this video series. So newcomers, please subscribe this, then you will reach all type of question to your doorstep. So how to get a future expectation of pure maths, applied maths, or any type of questions. A function divided by x plus 4, linear function divide by a linear. The remainder always a constant, right? Remainder is a constant part. So here px divided by x plus 4, the remainder is 10, right? That is one information. And they have given that where px equal p of x minus 2 equal 4 times q of x minus 2 p of x minus 2 equal 4 times q of x minus 2 plus 6x over 5, right? This is the relation in terms of two different function px and qx, right? So it is available p of x minus 3 equal 4 times q of x minus 2 plus 6x over 5. Find the remainder when qx divided by x plus 3. Okay, find the remainder when qx divided by x plus 3. Okay, this is the summary of the question. Well balanced problem. Actually, this kind of question, something that the show with problems, some the different factor format, but the answer completely under syllabus, remainder theorem, factor theorem for grade 12 mathematics. So if I revise once again, the question is there's a function p of x divided by x plus 4, remainder is 10, right? Also, they given the relation of two functions p of x minus 2 is 4 into q of x minus 2 plus 6x over 5, right? So what the question is, find the remainder when qx divided by x plus 3. So I can take remainder is k. Find the k value, right? Okay, check. So if we start from the grade 12 beginners level of this remainder factor theorem, px divided by x plus 4, one function divided by another function, there's a quotient and the remainder, totally we called answer, right? So there's a relation. I can write the px of identically equal or equal to, when px divided by x plus 4, I said the quotient is 5 1x, quotient into divisor k plus the balance, right? Any type of division format can be shown like this: the polynomial equal to the quotient into divisor plus the balance. Now we want to bother about this quotient part. Try to make this 0. Put x4 minus 4. If you put x4 minus 4, this completely becomes 0. Minus 4 into what? Minus 4 into this becomes 0. that is 10, right? Therefore, apply if x equal minus 4, if x equal minus 4, p of minus 4, okay, equal, this is 0, right? This becomes 0, 0 into whatever 0 plus 10 only, okay? Therefore, important information here, p of minus 4 is 10, right? Keep it. Now what the question? Find the remainder when qx divided by x plus 3. I have tell that one, this is a k, reminder we call k or r. Say r is a reminder. Then we have to find the r value, right? So therefore I can write the qx, q of x equal, when divide by x plus 3, I take the quotient is 5 2x, quotient into divisor, quotient into divisor, plus the balance, right? Plus the remainder, I say r. So find the value of r, right? Okay, so if I shown here similar pattern, make this part 0, make the quotient part is 0, put x4 minus 3, right? If x equal minus 3, if x equal minus 3, q of minus 3, okay, equal, this is 0, the r, right? Therefore, another important information, r equal to remainder equal to q of minus 3. So what the remainder, the balance when divide by the qx divide by x plus 3 is r, okay? Now come back and important information here. From here we try to find what is q of negative 3. If I apply x4 minus 1, x4 minus 1, put x4 minus 1, then we have p of something, q of something, all known part, right? So copy this properly. Some typical different type of problem, right? Very easy question, but something, combined mathematics or pure maths, one of the important question, factorization using factor theorem or remainder theorem. Okay, so if x equal minus, I need 1, put x4 minus 1, okay, put x4 minus 1. If this is x4 minus 1, then minus 3, p of minus 4, therefore we will apply x4 minus 4, is it, p of minus 4 is 10, q of minus 3 is that, so you have to apply, this is q of x minus 2, x4 minus 1, x4 minus 1 here, apply x4 minus 1, then that is here minus 3, okay, check that, x4, the relation provided that is there in that my YouTube thumbnail or the banner. So x minus 3, so put x4 minus 1, p of minus 4, 4 into q of, put x4 minus 1 minus 3, okay, plus 6x, 6 into minus 1, okay, over 5, right? So what is p of minus 4? That is 10, okay, 10 equal 4 into q of minus 3 is the remainder, right? Minus 6 over 5. So 50 equal 4r minus 6. Therefore, 56 divided by 4 is the answer, my dear student. So, if you worked on the interesting, always follow me this video series. After completing the problem, come back to this video series. Then only interesting answer. You can check with you. You will improve this pure maths or applied advanced mathematics improvements in such questions. Okay, this is that question. Now come back to a trigonometry problem. A trigonometry question. Fx equals sin x plus cos x plus square root 2, right? Fx equals sin x plus cos x plus square root 2, completely power 4. Find the maximum and the minimum summation. Find the maximum and minimum sum of the function of x. That is, find the maximum and minimum of the summation. The problem is find the maximum of fx and minimum. So you know almost the maxima minima type of question, calculus, using dy over dx, first differentiation, second differentiation, that method. But such a problem more suitable if you work using the trigonometric issues. Using trigonometry, I have to explain this, right? Find the maximum of a trig function. Okay, my dear students, well known, without trigonometry, no advanced maths. Better you can go to the arts stream or any commerce stream if you miss the trigonometry. So sine, cos, two different things. When sine is increasing, cos becomes decreasing. Sine 30 half, but cos 30 root 3 by 2. Sine 60 root 3 by 2, but cos 60 half. Sine 91, but cos 90 0, right? Sine increasing, cos decreasing. You can't find this expression maxima minima because sine and cos to different peak, to different paths, right? Therefore, my dear student, using your trigonometric maximum knowledge, full length of knowledge, try to convert completely this expression in terms of sine, completely one trigonometric part, one circular function, completely in sine form or cos form, right? That's the technique. Not only here, think in any type of problem. This can be asked, draw the graph of this. For that also completely you need in terms of sine or cos. Okay, see the method. The coefficient of sine is 1, coefficient of cos is 1, 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So take the square root 2 out and divide by square root 2 for this sine x plus cos x. Okay, for this part, take the 1 over root 2 and divide by root 2 inside. Okay, and plus root 2 there, completely power 4. Okay, this is your first step. Sine coefficient square, cos coefficient square, sum of the both and put square root, multiple, divide. If you multiple root 2, all cancel, similar part is available. Okay, so completely root 2. So can I take the root 2 out? Square root 2 take out, that is power 4. Okay, the power 4. So here this 1 over root 2 sin x plus 1 over root 2 cos x. So if you're well talented in this trigonometry, this is a revision workout series. So we hope here you covered all the entire syllabus of trigonometry or anything. So in this case, you apply this 1 over root 2 cos pi by 4, cos 45 degrees, right? Sin x. This is cos 45. Say this one sin 45. Okay. Sin pi by 4, right? And cos x, okay. And plus this is 1 because I took the root 2 out, right? I took the root 2 out, okay. So what the value here? Root 2 power 4, root 2 power 4, that is 4. Square root 2 multiple square root 2 is 2. Again that multiple, see, that is 4, right? What is this trigonometric part inside, using what we called additional formula, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, right? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is sin A plus B, okay? Sin A plus B and plus 1 there. Okay, dear students, very useful. Some applied maths question under the wedge problem, Newton's law of motion. We have some this kind of simplification, right? So given problem is completely sine and cos, but now only sine, or you can write in terms of cos only too, right? Okay, when x is changed, various values for fx, various x values, x is an angle, various y value or fx value. If x is 30, x is 60, x is 40, x is naught, you can find it. So this is become maximum answer, this becomes maximum, right? This is become minimum answer, this becomes minimum. You know that sine maximum 1, boundaries of sine for principal value, sine maximum is 1, sine minimum is -1, okay? Therefore, see my method, the fx max, I need to find fx max, that is 4 into this becomes max, sine angle becomes max 1, sine of maximum answer is 1, right? Plus 1 to the power 4, okay? So what is that? 4 into 2 to the power 4, that is 64, is it? 2 to the power 4 is 16 times 4. Find the minimum, fx minimum. What is, dear students, fx minimum value? Here there's a 4 outside. Sine becomes minimum -1, right? -1 plus 1, totally 4. Wow, that is 0. -1 plus 1, 0. Every video takes some advantage of opportunity for your future. So -1 plus 1, 0. You know, maximum value 64, minimum value 0. Therefore, the sum, the answer 64 plus 0. 64, very interesting question. So please subscribe this and share all over the world. That means your students view, classmates, your school groups or teachers can send to your students to take some things for complete English medium at the moment. Okay, we'll see tomorrow the and the attractive questions through applied PO, all type of parts or lessons, all future exam expectation, paper out exam series. Okay, bye.